YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This one has a mix of sneakers and Hypebeast clothing though, because it's a special episode today, because we actually have boxes over here, 5 of them, man. Look at that, 5 boxes, a lot of shoes. Man, that's heavy. A lot of shoes and a lot of clothing in there, and I'm excited to open it up because all of this stuff was actually sent over by the sponsor of today's episode, Farfetch. Now, I've worked with Farfetch in the past. You can actually check out that old video over here. That video was filmed with my fiance Mari actually though, because she curated a mystery box from Farfetch and it was really, really dope. But this time Farfetch actually sent over a whole bunch of different clothing and shoes and stuff, so we're gonna be opening that up today on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. And if you guys don't know who Farfetch is, they are the premier website that connects 190 countries, 190, that's a lot, with over 3,000 of the world's best brands and boutiques, guys. That's an insane amount of stuff. And what I really appreciate about Farfetch and why I mess with them so much is because they support small businesses, guys. Like right now, honestly, it's a very tough time for small businesses. Like, I mean, you guys know what's going on in the world. It's a tough place to get by if you guys own a small business, and it's really, really tough economically on everybody. And that's why I really support what Farfetch does, because they source all of their products from boutiques, which if you guys don't know what a boutique is, basically it's like a small shop. It's not like a big box company and stuff. Boutiques are usually a small, like, you know, family-owned business. So for Farfetch to source all of their products and stuff from boutiques, I just really appreciate that. And just because they source the items and stuff from boutiques doesn't mean like there isn't hype stuff on there. You still have all of the biggest brand names, stuff like Jordans, Yeezys, Stone Island, John Elliott, everything that I shop for, it's all on Farfetch. And I'm super happy that Farfetch is sponsoring this video because they are hooking up the Untitled Hana with 10% off your order. So when you guys use the code FFUH10, it's over here on the screen, you guys can check that out. So use that code at checkout and you guys will get 10% off your order. You guys will get your hype clothing or sneakers, and you guys will be supporting small businesses. So it's like a win-win-win. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing now, guys. First one over here, I'm guessing this is clothing. Let's check it out. Okay, and for the first, whoa, something fell out of the box. I don't know what this is. I guess this one was sourced from Smets. I don't know what Smets is, but I'm guessing that's one of the boutiques that they source their stuff from. Ooh, dang, this is super nice though. I like this. So because they're shipped from all over the world, that's why we have so many different boxes over here. This one, I guess, is from Smets, and as you guys can see, this was shipped really, really nice. It's coming in this like plastic bagging over here. I'm guessing this is like a sweatshirt or a hoodie. Oh man, and this is really, really soft. Oh my gosh. And I know this brand too, guys. This brand is sick. It's Maison Kitsune. Kitsune, if you guys don't know, in Japanese means fox. And so this thing over here looks like a little Kuma. You guys know my dog Kuma. Kuma does definitely look like a fox, so that is super sick. And this brand is a really hype brand. Maison Kitsune, again, a hype, more high fashion brand, but this quality on the stuff is really, really nice, guys. Definitely gonna be wearing this when it gets a little bit more cool in Hawaii. Okay, next one, let's get into some shoes. I'm assuming these are shoes, that's why. It is a more heavy box. Oh, definitely shoes in here, guys. This is gonna be a good one. I see multiple shoes in here actually. And so what's cool about Farfetch too is these shoes are actually shipped from one of their partners. They actually partnered up with Stadium Goods in 2018. And you guys know who Stadium Goods is. They're one of the biggest sneaker shops like in the world. And I think that's a really great partnership because that means you guys know like all the sneakers and stuff that you buy on Farfetch, because they're sourced from Stadium Goods. They're all authentic, 100% genuine, and they're definitely gonna have whatever you need in stock. This one is a size 11 Air Max 90, and let's see what we got over here. Okay, this is an interesting Air Max 90 actually. I've never seen this one in person. It's like an Air Max 90 with like a galaxy kind of vibe on it. Like, check it out over here, Air Max 90 with the galaxy vibe. So you guys can see on the upper, there is like a lot of like space themes running throughout the shoe. Looks very cool. Also on the midsole, I realized it's like speckled to give it more of like a space effect as well. This shoe is obviously in new condition because all the shoes that you're going to be getting from Stadium Goods, they're all in like brand new dead stock condition. So that is dope. This is why I love like mystery boxes and stuff, because you never know what you're going to get inside. And this one is not one that I would normally buy like on my own, but because it came in a mystery box, I'm definitely down to wear this one. So this is a nice pickup right here, Air Max 90. And there was a second box in this one too. So let's see what we got over here. So this one is a Jordan 1 box. I think I know what this one is. It has to be the recent release Jordan. This one is the, yep, the Jordan 1 Tokyos that just came out. These things are so sick, man. And I just realized this matches really well with the Maison Kitsune like hoodie over here. So this is like perfect to style. I'm guessing that was like part of what like Farfetch was doing when they sent over the mystery box as well, creating like a whole outfit basically from all of the source stuff from their boutiques, and it kind of all matches together. So that's cool. Jordan 1s, as you guys know, are like one of my favorite shoes, and this one is a highly slept on Jordan 1 in my opinion. Stadium Goods logo over the top again, so you know it's authentic, 100% real. And the shoe shoe itself is just honestly such a beautiful shoe, guys. Like, this thing is super underrated. Like, the price is not crazy right now. I think they're going for like close to 300 bucks. But when you guys look at the craftsmanship and just like the details on this thing, it's really, really dope. So this shoe originally released in 2001 and they brought it back this year in 2020. It was a Japan only when it released in 2001, but now they have a global release. Also comes in like a custom Jordan box, which is also all silver. So I think that's also a nice touch for this shoe. Another good shoe over there. And I think there's one more piece in this box over here. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, this is fire. I didn't know Stadium Goods sells clothing and stuff too. That is sick. So over here, there's a Palace tee. I love Palace, guys. I have a Palace tee that I wear in the videos all the time. But now I have a second tee over here, and this one is really dope. It's got like these hands kind of like in a prayer or triangle kind of thing, which I think is kind of cool. It's a minimalistic tee, and as you guys know, I love minimalistic stuff, so I like this one a lot. Simple, black. You guys know what it is. That is really sick. Okay, and we're rolling. We still got 3 boxes left. This is crazy. So this one over here, smaller box. I want to guess this is clothing though, not shoes. Dude, I just realized too while I'm opening up these shoes and stuff, 10% off you can get from like any sneaker place, like especially for Hype Jordan 1s and stuff, 10% off. That's a huge discount. Like, you don't get discounts like that anywhere else. So I think that's really dope. So again, if you guys do want to cop shoes for cheaper, 10% cheaper actually, that is a huge steal, because when do like Hype sneakers that are on resale ever go on sale? It doesn't happen. So check that out. There we go. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Holy F, this is cool. Okay, first things first, guys, over here, you guys can see this one, I guess, is from Base Blue. So it's another boutique that they sourced from, Base Blue. But the actual item that they sent over was this right here, and this is amazing. It's perfect because like all of this stuff is like great fall wear and stuff as well. So it's gonna be really good when the temperatures and stuff start going down, so I can start wearing all of these like sweatshirts and stuff. So it says Kenzo over here, stitched in with like gold, silver, navy. Very nice color blocking over there. It's good that I can expand my wardrobe into like different things, because I think Supreme and stuff is dope. Like, it's good like for a streetwear kind of aesthetic, but like Kenzo and stuff is more of a high fashion brand, so it gives it a little bit more of like a refined look, you know, like a more professional look. So I think this is really sick. So we got 2 more boxes over here. I think this is another pair of shoes, I would say, a bigger box, that's why. So I'm hoping for a pair of shoes. Okay, we do have a pair of shoes in here. This one looks to be a Nike Jordan 11 box though. I think it's a recent release. Oh, okay, cool. And I just read this over here. I didn't know this about Farfetch. So Farfetch actually has a return policy for all of their new items. So for 14 days, you're able to return any item, no question asked, for a full refund. So that is also another good thing. When you're shopping over there, you can feel completely safe. You know, you get a wrong size for your shoe or something, it doesn't fit, you guys can actually send it back and stuff, and they'll give you a refund. That's really important when you guys are buying things online. You want to make sure you're able to like get like good like refund policies and returns and stuff. Make it easy. So this is such a classic shoe. The Jordan 11 Bread over here, like one of the most iconic Jordan sneakers ever, and honestly one of the most beautiful as well. Stadium Goods tag over the top over here, so you know it's authentic, legit. So you're getting the best quality stuff for the best prices. I really like this one a lot. You can't go wrong with these, and they keep going up in price all the time because people always want these. I remember when they first dropped, actually like they were going for not too much on the resale market because there were so many pairs dropped. I think it was like in the hundreds of thousands of pairs, so it was a lot. But as like people start to wear theirs down, and you know, they start to get it like more dirty and more creased up, and then they got to throw it away, there's less dead stock pairs in the market, which causes the resale price to go up. So these things continue to rise all the time. All right, so we actually made it to the last box over here. From the sound of it, I don't think these are shoes. It's a lighter box. This is one of the most difficult boxes I've ever had to open. Oh my goodness. All right, the box is toast, but that's okay because I still have the item in here. Oh, North Face, okay. I freaking love North Face too, so this is perfect. Put that on real quick. So after I try this on, this does look really good. Like another good base color over here. Nothing too flashy, and it fits really well. So hopefully if the quarantines and stuff end soon and I can start traveling again, I can use this for Japan in December, and fingers crossed that would be perfect, because then I could bring like the Kenzo stuff that they sent over and also that Maison Kitsune like sweatshirt and stuff. Use it all when I visit Japan, hopefully this year. So this is really cool to see. Very nice North Face jacket over here. And that is actually it for this unboxing, guys. A lot of cool stuff in here today, guys. We saw sneakers, hype sneakers, also like a lot of high fashion brands, and also like not as crazy brands like North Face. You know, North Face is a pretty expensive brand, but it's not like super expensive. Like Kenzo's very, very expensive. So we got to see a good mix of stuff, and that's what I would like about Farfetch, is they have a whole range of different items. Like for the people that have like a lower budget, there's things on there that you guys are able to get. For the people that want want to get a little bit more refined with their clothing and stuff, they also have items on there for you as well. So getting 10% off is huge for anything you buy on the site. So make sure you guys use that code. And I will create links for you guys for all of the items in this box in case you guys want to cop any of like the same stuff that I'm actually going to be wearing like in the future and stuff. Really fun unboxing. I do love the sneaker mystery boxes and stuff, but it's cool to have a good mix of like sneakers and also clothing and stuff as well, like every so often on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, just because it creates good diversity and it's cool to see like just the different things that are out there and where you can get shoes for cheaper. So I really appreciate that. Again, everything is linked in the description below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoops.